I'm a wartime CEO. I like when everything's kind of in disarray and you need vision and clarity and something bold. I'm not a great peacetime CEO. I get bored, and I like new things. And Dress for Success was in great shape.
Yeah.
And there was a great leader ready to take it over who was running the New York office. So I left. And I really left. Like I left, and then I went to Australia with my then boyfriend, now husband. Because I was like, that's the farthest place we can go where I won't show up in the office. So we went to Australia for a few weeks. And I really haven't looked back. I think I popped over to Dress for Success in I think it's been 17 years, something like that. I don't even know how long it's been. A long time. I think I've visited them like 2 or 3 times. I really am I'm pretty good about letting go. And I think you know how I describe it as Scooby-Doo syndrome.
Yes.
Tell
us about that.
Yeah,
so for people that don't know, you have Scooby-Doo syndrome. Tell us.
I do. So Scooby-Doo, so basically every episode of Scooby-Doo is the same. If you've seen one episode, you have seen them all. There's like a church or a movie theater that's about to be torn down to become a strip mall. And there's a zombie or ghost haunting it. And Mystery Inc. is called in to find the zombie or ghost. At the end, it's always Shaggy and Scooby who find the zombie and ghost, but somehow Velma knew what was happening the entire time. And then they unmask the zombie or ghost, and it's not a zombie or ghost. It's like the janitor of the movie theater or the granddaughter of the original pastor of the church who just don't want it to become a strip mall and can't leave. It's essentially the founder haunting the building. And so every episode of Scooby-Doo is basically about founder syndrome. And I had no desire to be a zombie or a ghost. I'm not particularly micromanaging that way or controlling. Yeah. I like building things, and then I like seeing them flourish and like seeing what other people can do to change them, grow them. And so I really did leave. And I'm not on the board. I'm a fan. I mean, I totally creep on it online. And but I'm really completely hands off and nothing to do with it.